Now ungenza ipopayi uyabo. You are making me a domgoroza.
Dimple mani. Mngani wami waseSoweto. Mngani wami waseSoweto. More finger hearts mngani wami waseSoweto. Funa usnipe ubani wena Sheza?
Guys, tap the screen for me, please. Let's go.
Sniper wena snipe ulwazi la ungafocus kimi. Yebo.
Mina ngifokanga saka wengi ngifocusele ku Dimple ngisicocela no Dimple mina.
Yo, hi Sheba.
Dimple mani. Shaya Dimple, shaya my friend. Nakhulumela no Dimple mina. Namsebenzi shaya Dimple, shaya mama. Shaya. Funa usniper mina. Nasicocela no Dimple angikho kuwena ukuthi wenzani odume ngani.
Nokuthi ngenzani or ngikhulume ngani mara ngibuza ukuthi Shez you still don't see. I can't.
Nangisibukelela uDimple esijayivela abosebenzela ikhekhe nabo bani.
Mara uwe othi kimi.
No.
Ufuna ukusniper bani mara awunandaba ukuthi mina ngithini.
Akunamsebenzi phela lokhu ngizwa snipe. Mina ngizikhulumela no Dimple mfethu.
Okay, Shez. Khuluma no Dimples.
Awu. Akaqedi uDimple uzomfaka ku100 and something.
It shows here my me. It shows here my me. Mina ngiyabona ukuthi uyangihlanganisa. Ngiyasangana mina ngowami.
Sebenzela uyihlo nonyoko.
When I need space, that's where I go. Hey, bushes, a place to escape that nobody knows.
I'm here, TikTok.
Bega kahle.
Oh, Dimple, Nkosam, thank you. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen.
Thank you, everybody. Guys, I'm tapping on the screen. Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you Dimple.
Guys, ngicela sibaye guys yabona ningiphi energy yo lento engenza ukuthi ngizwe ngathi ngifuna ukuyotlela. Guys, ngicela ningithepheleni. Guys, can we play the game? Guys, first give times 3. Anyone with a donut,
guys, anyone with a donut or hand that on the first
Cheeky
gift.
boom boom.
Guys, anyone with a donut or a lion.
Or a heart.
Guys, tap the screen.
Guys, let's go together, my good people. Guys, first give times 3. Guys, let's try together. Thank you so much to everyone who's tapping the screen. Guys, donut. Guys, let's try together. Let's try together, guys, on the triples. Good in Bashaya. I ngeke sengikhathele nami ukushayo. Hi.
Let's go times 3.
No, Luvuyo, I don't, my baby. Guys, let's go together. Guys, times 3. Iwewe.
Hey, go. Thank you so much.
Look it right there.
Guys, ngicela ningithepheleni mina nje kuphela ningabi nendaba noma ngichiwa.
We're scammer. Thank you for the likes. I hope you're not here to scam me. You sent it where? Let's understand that first.
Guys, please tap the screen for me.
On WhatsApp or here on the comments. Send it again. Thank you, Mporoza. Umpipoza. Shooty doesn't want to.
Guys, ngicela ningithephe the screen.
That's why it's not appearing. I don't know because I can't see it. It's not anywhere here. And I'm checking. Yabo manje, I'm checking. Oh, yes, I see it. Yes, that's what it means. Attention deficiency.
Everyone tap the screen for me, guys. Please, let's go.
That's what it means.
What means?
ADHD. Attention deficiency. Hypertension disorder. Hyperactive disorder. Hypertension. hyperactive.
Guys, tap on the screen.
Guys,
They want to try us.
how deep Nkosi yami,
Don't
my
try
sweetheart, my
me.
slender, my
Everyone
Ntambeke
wants to
Dlela. Deep, my sweetheart, my Ntambeke Dlela, Shem.
namhlanje.
Wema. Nkosi yami, my sweetheart, my slender, my Ntambeke Dlela, my CK boot. How deep Nkosi yami, we. Thank you.
It is the heart me thing. It is the heart me thing. More click lapayano on the heart me every day. And after, before you leave the life, claim the points.
Yeah,
Your level grows.
Senjwayele ukuthi ngale nkathi ngiyabe ngifudumala.
Your level grows. Yabo manje
Uyithanda.